Kava plays a central role in Fijian culture. Not only does it hold a unique place in traditional ceremonies, it also plays an important role in daily and social connections throughout the islands. In the heart of Ovalau, the village of Lovoni is home to Heritage Kava, a family-run kava business led by local farmer Sowani Saunitonga. Committed to tradition, quality, and community, Heritage Kava continues a farming legacy that spans generations. From modest beginnings in Nassau Matua, his company Saunitonga Enterprises Limited has grown into a beacon of rural entrepreneurship. Its flagship product, Heritage Kava, now reaches customers in the United States and beyond.
Kala tiku may na bisnis yang bagi ronon dulu rosanga bulu. Lagu may na COVID yang kami tawa wala yang nabuni COVID. Ya teman juga na kena tarik juga na wali na kakek balatan na bisnis. Sang kami tiku ekspor na yang bagi nanti yang bani ronon dulu rosanga betul. Sang kami tiku ekspor yang kona kina. Nabuni kena sangat ngamen duri ng bisnis yung balati kima misarana famous pambimbi na nyoyo ndonga biranto titi kilana tapana andre so tabi nabuni titi ko sama ni nakina kituki na me sangai meta kana bisnis milen rendi bukei iranto titi balata pambimbi kita bola ni ulte yang kor ke mulak sar juga bicili we nakena mi durina bisnis ngo sa kami mi tu sara na dos step non na famous asian talingi sa musu kita na cost na so juga na bun kana kauna ibolisu.
Until recently, Saunitonga's operations relied heavily on costly and environmentally taxing diesel generators. That changed with the help of the government's national export strategy, which invested $100,000 in a state-of-the-art solar panel system to power his facilities through the assistance from the Ministry of Trade. The solar upgrade has already transformed day-to-day operations, enabling longer processing hours, reducing carbon emissions, and lowering energy costs. As a testament to its success and growth in the industry, Heritage Kava has also acquired multiple awards, including Agri-Processor of the Year in 2024 by the Ministry of Agriculture. Despite ongoing challenges such as road access and infrastructure, Sowani continues to push forward, proving that adversity can be a stepping stone rather than a setback.
Club na bibukin matintu kayo man sa libu sa bibukin matintu sa lomay ando nang unisala bagsaw chingi mi pagkatsinga na tagna nang unisala dotal na sol usa didi chingo na liba ni na takata kaya chingo na buni aya pa liba sa didi chingo na solon we dotal na sola batana sotalanga ni wale na kena takana na factory ko hule na matintu batana tukini ang kona kula kombeka ukla ni tamani bisi uli we liu se liu na takata ko tunggu se takana lingai ko ni satu ngona liba pambina liba sala bota mena misini keten ko kakete sa pangatagina misini ko sa rara takana takata ili untuk nindo na biat sa bangko na ngona meta karin taratun do na bula na kena sangai meta ka chukuna ngona ona misini liba ko sa minggo sonon sa reni keto tol sar rindo bimamanga na mata kena takana ngona kero export singa ngono go export ki Amerika boleh chukuna ngona na Amazon ni Amerika na local boleh chukuna na local level ono mandangan ko na ndrendeli sota bitu ya na yang kona supply ni yang kona Kila tu tonggo tu na tu juga interview go ya una no sungge li sortu ngame imbo li wuli angon sarama imbo klan to na rende li busa tabi tu na revani angonai ndo tala ko na matini angon ko ako dona kai dona dan fuli bi ko nan titi obolo go male tan matini angon ni revenue sio ko na yang bagi Cini sih, yang bagi 5 sih, kau yang kiri, bahkan 2 mati ke teman tu, yang tu nanti buku game shot tapi juga na sanggai biaya uji juga ini gua game sanggai 3 buti titel sungguh, bapak nak juga na Ministry of Agriculture, non rotu sa biu juga mana kena supply tekina tini yang kona, bikin menantu titi.
The rich volcanic soils of the valley help produce what locals probably call some of the finest kava in Fiji. The business is also supported by Sowani's wife Hannah, and together focus on preserving Overloud's cultural identity while delivering authentic Fijian kava to customers around the world.
So the first grant that we received was from Ministry of Agriculture, and that really enabled us to start our export process with our business. So that included a pounding machine and some materials to contribute to the building of our export facility. The second was through Ministry of Trade, through their National Export Grant, and this really allowed us to up our game to the next level in that we were able to install solar power to our kava processing facility, which has really been key in ensuring that our whole production process uses only renewable energy, has low carbon footprint, and this actually allows us to state that our kava is produced solely using renewable energy sources, which is of course climate change, being in Fiji, is very at the forefront of everything that we do as a business. So we employ workers from our own village, so we're very much community based in everything that we do, but we're very fortunate to also employ a further 8 workers from another village further around the corner in Overloud. Just thank you to the Fijian government for the contribution that they've made to be able to expand our business. This has really allowed us to further our reach to support our local community. So whether that's single mothers, women who for the first time are able to be independent financially and to contribute to their families is really important for equality. And also one thing that we have realised as well, that if we, by offering employment opportunities to our local community, we're actually preventing migration. So we're keeping families together, and in today's environment that's really important.
A new footbridge designed to improve daily accessibility for the community's most vulnerable members was officially completed. For years, moving within the village meant navigating the main road, an access point that posed significant risks, particularly for children, women, girls, pregnant women, and persons with disabilities. A major step towards safer and more inclusive rural development has been achieved in the village of Visoto on Overlau Island.
Waendo nangangandeli buat pinakor mendu anai tata kosene asani koridologe balini na lo tuna songo lo muni koro Ona wasini koro vale koro to idologi. Ona meranga sara chico paona isa na wabu ko tu isa lalibona ragenge me lomoni koro. Iya, amani ke nani mena koro mendua na itata koso. Mendua na itata koso wo membali cirtu chico na vale koro to kaya sani koro. Me wara te ke na nondro tu ngani lomoni koro. Mal sariu ko ngoni tau nuza. Nangone irangai boli me rangai sara chigo irangon rangai boli samana no me sandola ni tatakoso iasani koridolo me para ta gana vitosaki mai lomoni koro inasani korge senasani korge i lomoni koro.
The challenge was addressed through the completion of the Visoto footbridge, a rural infrastructure development project aimed at providing safer, more reliable access for all residents. The footbridge was constructed at a cost of over $46,000, fully funded by the United Nations Development Program under its Governance for Resilient Development initiative in the Pacific.
Na buni bai ke ne tatakos ngon sambali gini. Angai do takos chumegini na ngoni ira na ngoni buli ni rangai buli. Fortuna sani korsan ke irawan sarangale na main road. Ira bona ke takos chugai buni bai merangai. So ira to sana ke takos mai buni bai lomoni kor. Na buni bai ke ira divi biam. Rika mai page tampana rangai divi so bitolo ni bai. Na ribu mbili ni tuirage na batu. Ipo tu batu. Kau na ngai tugina ni mamu ribu mbi. Ang masanan dole ni kau. Ang me kerida ke na matentu. Iya. Ko sama ni kerida ke sa sule na matentu.
The Visoto footbridge stands as a practical example of this vision, contributing directly to the ministry's strategic development plan, which focuses on building productive, resilient, and progressive rural communities. With the new footbridge now in place, Visoto village is positioned for safer mobility and stronger resilience, helping ensure that no member of the community is left behind.
Sabi apa binatay chile na matentu. Ni nona sole mai, poi laboteke mai. Na ai kau ko sama itu. Kena sani koro kena dan kita buat kata mondia mo crossing. Balena dan ni bono ke mondia mo. Iya. Poi na tena matentu anonda lomo suli. Tamban ni bibator data kena taunda kuni koro baba balange. Sababe binata kani pinak palibu. Nandondo lenga mai na poi bola ni sana na PA Dio na sana lo mai bici ke mo amusapo benak.
On the island of Levuka in the village of Toko, Yangona is more than just a crop. It is a cultural tradition, a source of income, and now the foundation of a community-led project with a greater purpose. The initiative began with a simple need: aging infrastructure within the village in urgent need of renovation. Instead of relying solely on donations, the villagers of Toko turned to a sustainable solution: building a kava bar, a space that could raise funds, support local farmers, and uphold a long-standing cultural practice. However, progress was initially slow. Traditional kava pounding, performed manually, proved labor-intensive and time-consuming. To grow the kava bar and meet rising demand, the community needed a more efficient way to produce yangona while preserving the craft.
Mate ni kana kena tegu bunga mai na ni mai mea bosechi kona kena maintenance teki bata na ni mai mi vali lutu. Ya, mente sangai tubu kai kiana na komiti mendo na titi membala tan titi ba kor membala tawale ngana kani ni mai maintenance ni vali lutu. E kime mi mani tawia butaka na viangona li rau ki nei tulundul bada na angona ki mi terra mana tulundul bada na angona ki misali rawat sar chikin on sa habestekin na ruana bagi sawit sakitu samai chiko sa habes samai chiku kitu sa volta ka chiku na angona kitu sa ngai rida tali ni bakai luis tali chiku kitu betoni kitu kote chiku na angona melitu kitaun Kitongo vola andora vol kere birtona Ministry of Agriculture kero indora bebuki merin buki kito mendona misini tu kena ko mikito vakap talake me bisnis tala begitu merin gitu terakhir talake nabi korokor vol gati kito tu ena lo manin doa baranga na bule romikino na tekan itu yang kona me kito babi na vol birtona Ministry of Agriculture kito vakatal juga ya kito rete ni bakai bersar Berbera kita undam kita sagi sanga kita kereme kita biposekta pada mana mendo ni tu kau ba mereni naila ko mekuni lako bango me lako meki sangai le biu na banki kita sangere da ni bakai pinaka bikito kita segete ko bunga sa sine itu na bonongo ya do pasal ko na bingachi ba misis kita sin kawita kaya etos singa ya do bani mai lako talangan na dona riskle bu ama la ko tumay baleta na kena mai bitu bina mati nyangone ne na ngo bola e bakila bali sarna lo mani bisnis ngo e bakila bali sarau kitu lo mani bisnis ngo betena ndrendre ni angona ye kitu sangai moi to ngaba malua sanga to ba malua somi chinga dona tamata sini somi kede chiko kitu na lo ni komiti ko era ta chungo ortonga na ta kaya ba men horo somi chiko
In a significant boost for rural agricultural development, the Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, Honorable Tamasi Tulambuna, officially handed over a Yangona pounding machine. With the new equipment, output doubled, allowing the kava bar to generate consistent income and accelerating the community's fundraising efforts.
Yana kake de membaleta na kani kava bango na lawa. Under the community sana. Vivi rukuni lewa ni tutua ni koro. Kembal na lao ni koro o katuki. Sindora ka kito kito warung to ake. Fito na kaloko wangalu masu walo kaloko to stal. Kila kede tu na leo ni koro tungu. Ni sara chiko ilo mani kababo. Ni sara bitro. Yang na lawa sara sambil sara kan bercikun lawa cikun kau baca cikun dalam anak yang lawa kebe kau cikun nakani kita tu setengah apa malongo se rendek kita tak balik leni itu warai yang kau nak ciko ya gitu di cikun ay siangan ni kaya tosing betul lah kau ruru cikun kau patikin na veg sini yang kau nawaleng ay lah kau ciki ke sora reda cikun mai ranu meni yang kau cikasya
Local farmers supplying the bar also benefit from steady demand, while every bowl served brings the village one step closer to their goal. Yangona remains central to Fijian identity, a symbol of unity, respect, and shared heritage. This continues to strengthen livelihoods, support faith, and build resilience within the Levuka community. This initiative highlights the growing impact of this kava bar, showing how tradition and innovation are coming together to rebuild not only a church, but a stronger community foundation.
Isini kani tamatan dua mo vivi pakatundua tamatan ni yang me lebu na wakasama ya me wakasama ni yang mana toseliu me loro ite langa ko na ngule ga bichi ko na business me buke na ndau tei koraka e buke ite langa ken me ba longa ga tei ko chu mo na ndau bi basal taki se bi bar ram taki me bar ram taki me te merani toso wa bina kin na business patakin na kenenaki